That's one thing that I call the Silicon Valley hubris, and it's basically like the arrogance and over pride, and not over pride but overconfidence and excessive pride of Silicon Valley entrepreneurs and leaders. And you can like see that example with like WeWork, and you can see that example with like Theranos. You can like go and see the example with FTX, and you can like go and see that example with I think a lot of like these tech bros think that like tech can solve like any problem, but that's like not how the world works. You cannot like tech can't solve everything in this world. And I think a lot of basically I when I say like the Silicon Valley hubris, I'm like not just saying that to like entrepreneurs out there. I am also like pointing out at investors also. And I think the Silicon Valley hubris is like a really big problem, and it's like a really big concern. And the opposite of like Silicon Valley hubris is you've got like Tim Cook, you've got like Satya Nadella, you've got like a lot of other great not hubris company and CEOs as well. And Silicon Valley's mindset and culture is basically like hubris is like born out of success. And a lot of the time Silicon Valley is like the most successful place to basically start any tech company. And that's like how basically hubris is born. Hubris is basically born out of success, and that's why like hubris is born. And is Silicon Valley is now in like hubris, very much hubris. And I'm like not pointing at everyone, I'm pointing at like some few people like Theranos, WeWork, and FTX, and a lot of others scams, scandals as well. Like you've got Uber also, and you've got like a lot of other companies and other entrepreneurs as well. And I'm like not going to take their name like in this video, but you can like look up to them. And that's the thing that like I refer to. It's basically like the Silicon Valley hubris is basically the arrogance, excessive pride, and overconfident, and the ego of Silicon Valley tech startups and entrepreneurs.